Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of June is the lovely Shannon. She has provided us 3 sketches to use in the month of June, which all 3 are over at our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below, so that if you're not a member, please come join us over there at our Facebook group site. Not only will you be inspired by the Mini Kit Monday ladies, but you will also be inspired by our Facebook group followers that also post their kits and their layouts each month in the appropriate album. So anyway, enough of that, and let's get started on layout number 2. And this is the sketch that I am using for layout number 2. And of course, I am using the products in my kit for the month of June, which is Cocoa Vanilla Sun Kiss collection with the additional sparkles of other embellishments. For this layout, I decided to get out for the additional embellishments my little whatnots in these little tiny containers that I used to use for traveling to different friends' house to scrapbook or little weekend retreats. And so anyway, I'm going to see what I can use from these boxes. All right. Then we have the ephemera or die cut pieces. We have the puffy stickers. We have these gold yellow glitter words. We have the clear stickers. Then we have the regular stickers with word phrases. We have my photograph, and I'll go over the photograph more, but this is me. This is my daughter-in-law. This is my granddaughter, and this is my little guy. And I have this almost 6 1/4 paper here. And I'm going to use the back side for matting because I don't care for those rainbows. I also have this cut apart, which I tried to use in the first layout, and that didn't go so well, as you can tell. I have 2 scraps from my last layout. I have another 6 by 8, which it's actually like 5 3/4 by 8 1/4. I don't know if Cocoa Vanilla messed up or if that's their normal size for their smaller print paper. Then I have the 12 by 12 star paper, and in the last layout you saw me use some of this side, or all of that I think, but we're going to use the star side. Then I have this one here. It's called Bright Side, and I'm going to use this tone on tone blue. It's a navy. The tone here, the back, I would just call it a true blue. You can call it a navy. And then we have this rainbow. I have watched and seen a lot of videos where a lot of scrapbookers have taken and fussy cut the rainbow out, which is pretty cool. And they push it together, or maybe they only use a few colors. But I'm going to use this side. And as you can tell in the sketch, we have a small paper strip up at the top. Then there's a banner going across here. They have a photograph going here. I might do more center. I'm not really sure. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to get my base started, and then I'll come back.
Okay, I am back with the voiceover portion of this video. So I took that tone-on-tone blue paper that has like lines going across it, and I cut that 3 inches by 12 inches. So I secured that to the top of my foundation layer, which is the star pattern paper. Then I'm taking this film strip washi tape, and placing it right at the edge of that tone-on-tone blue paper. Then I'm taking a very thin gold washi tape, which has lost its stickiness to the back. So I'm going to use wet adhesive glue to secure it to my pattern paper. I'm going to jump ahead just a little bit. I'll bring my photograph into the picture here in a minute, and I will mat it on daisy white cardstock. The photograph was taken last year, 2020, in November, when my son, my daughter-in-law, my granddaughter came into town, and we all went to one of those indoor racetrack places, and my niece and her fiance came along as well, and then of course my little guy. We had a blast. Now back to the layout. So after I finish matting my photograph, I do 3 strips of paper at the very top for my anchoring place for the title for this layout. So I cut 1 square straight of pattern paper, then I took the flower paper, did the fishtail or dovetail, then I took the pink paper with the pink hearts on it, placed it on top, and then did the dovetail or fishtail. Now you see me taking those yellow gold glittery alpha words that came with this Cocoa Vanilla collection, and I'm putting the word happy at the top of that banner strip, and then right below it I'm going to put the word together. Then the next thing I will do is empty that die cut pack, or I already did, it looks like, from the Sun Kiss collection. And I've got out that banner and I place it below my photograph. Then I've got the rainbow and I place that above my photograph, tuck that under. Then I took this wonky little square and tucked it under. And let's see, what do I do next? Oh, I'm looking for some word phrases. And this one that I just placed above the banner says, feeling fine. Then I got out my little box of trinkets, and I have this hard, I think it's acrylic piece, and it has little arrows in it that are green. Then I get out a star brad, and then I get out a little blue crystal. Then I get out 2 old type paper clips. These were popular about 12 years ago. And I secured the star in the green off camera. Then also off camera, you'll see I added puffy stickers, which I was pointing out, the pineapple and the starfish. And then I added a word phrase next to those puffy stickers that says just chillin'. And then I'm just pointing out all my clusters there. I added another little sticker underneath that acrylic piece. You can see right there, these are the still shots. All right, before I forget it, please check out the other Mini Kit Monday ladies to see what they created this week. I have their links listed below in the description box. Give us a thumbs up and please keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.